Hello and welcome to Check It Out with Rich. Earlier this year, we got Starlink, and we have been carrying it inside this box ever since. We keep it underneath the bed in the bedroom because we don't use it all the time. And I've been wanting to get a carrying case. And about a month ago, Parts4Link reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to try one of their products. And I looked online and they had a case on there. So I told them, yeah, I'd like to try that case out. And they sent it to me, and I've had it for about 2 weeks now. But in that time, this case is discontinued. So it's not going to be so much of a review on the case. I'm going to do a review on Parts4Link. They have quite a few good products on their website. They do the Mini, Gen 2, Gen 3. They have everything from cables to cases. So let's bust this case out and we'll see what it looks like, and then we'll take a look at their website. Okay, if you know anything about me, you know I like camouflage. So lo and behold, they had a case in camouflage. Let's get this out of the bag here. Get rid of the box. And that's a case. It seems pretty durable. And let's open it up. There's something else inside here, which they sell on their website, which I really like. Okay, they have these little feet that go onto your panel. So we'll put these on and see what they're like. So we got them. A lot of times we put our panel on the roof, and the sharp corners I sometimes worry about, but with these, that'll take that worry away. And they do have some adhesives on here to put them on semi-permanently. And here's a carrying strap for the outside, shoulder strap. Now let's get this opened up and get everything in here. Okay, so the router fits right in there. Okay, then the power supply goes right in this little cutout here. And that's it for that. You can put your wires in this side. My wire that goes to the panel, I keep in my pass-through, but that can fit in here without any problem. So let's get the panel up here. I think I'm really going to like these feet. So it looks like they just slide on, and if you want, you can use the adhesives on it. Okay, and it looks like on the back of here, you're supposed to put these on a certain way. So left L1 would go at the top here, R1 would go down here, R2 would go down here, and L2 would go up here. Well, they seem pretty good. I mean, it's better than these corners sitting on the roof of my camper. And what's nice too is it looks like you can store it with it on. Yeah, I really like these little corner guards. And then we can just go like that. Go like that. Close her up. And that's it. It's actually pretty nice. All right, now being that this is discontinued, we're going to go on their site and see some other products that they have. All right, we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we're here on the Parts4Star webpage, and as you can see, they have Starlink Gen 2, the Gen 3, and the Mini. And we're just going to stick with the Gen 3 because that's what I have. Maybe we'll do a quick look-see at the other ones. But we're just going to click on here, and we're just going to scroll down and see what all they have. You see they have different mounts, some cables, some more mounts. They do have a carrying case here that looks pretty nice. Ethernet adapter, some more cables, some different mounts. Got a ridge mount for your roof. And some other items here. They have power supplies. You can plug this into your cigarette lighter. Some more cables. This here, I think I might get this so I can power my Starlink off the battery in a camper. It's only 40 bucks. It's not too bad. And they have some pole mounts. Let's go to the next page. And they have a mount here for your power pack and router. Here's another travel storage case. This one looks pretty nice, actually. But the only thing is, let's click on here. It does not come in camo. So, but black's all right. And then some more mounts, some more cables. Here's those corner guards that came with that case, $40. And here's another power supply. This one comes with a breaker. And here's something else I'm definitely going to order. I may actually do this today when I'm done with this video. Cable end protectors for your Ethernet. You get two of them for 10 bucks. So I may order two sets. It looks like waterproof connectors. Some more mounts. Let's go to the next one here. And this would be nice too. Wrap your cable up on. More power supplies, cables, mounts. Here's another power supply. I have a roof mount. You want to mount it to the roof of your vehicle. That won't work on my truck. It's aluminum. And that is it for the Gen 3. Let's just go through real quick for the Mini and see what all they have. Same thing, some mounts, carrying case. That's actually a nice carrying case. That's waterproof and hard-sided. Power supplies, some cables, different mounts, some more power supplies. One that goes into your cigarette lighter. And that's interesting. All your Mini off the yellow batteries, not the red ones. Let's see if they have one for a red one in here. Another carrying case. It looks like they have a lot more options for the Mini. See what all they have here. See if we find one for the people that have the red batteries. There's a camo one. That's nice. And we got one more page. A lot of these items are crossover, like a lot of your wires and that can work on all three. Nope, no red batteries, just the yellow. Let's check out the two real quick. Yeah, same thing. Cables, different types of mounts. Yeah, I'm definitely going to order these. I worry about when I'm uh, disconnecting everything and my end of my cable hitting the ground, so that'll really help. See what they have here. Cables, mounts. What's that? Dustproof socket protector for Gen 2. Okay. And that's about it. And judging by the case that I got, it seemed pretty good quality, so I can imagine all this stuff is top notch. So, okay, let's get back to me and we'll close this video out. Okay, so as you can see, Becky decided to rearrange the pantry while I'm doing this video. So anyway, uh, as you can see from their website, they have quite a few good products. I am going to order those end caps for the Ethernet cable. I think that's a pretty good product. They also gave me a discount code. It's CR10, and you'll get 10% off your purchase. I think you need to do like $50 or more to get free shipping. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I think I did see that on our website. Another thing I think I might order is we don't have a stand for outside, and I've seen two different ones on there. I may go ahead and order that also, just so we don't have it sitting on the ground and be up a little higher. Maybe somebody can see it. Maybe put some reflective tape on it, so in case somebody's driving around, they don't decide to drive over it. Okay, so then go ahead and check their website out. Looks like quite a few good products. And once again, thanks for checking it out. We'll see you all next time. Bye.